Wireless radio flash control provides more reliable and flexible control of creative lighting. When shooting on location, the flash must often be adjusted to shooting conditions. In that regard, flash control using light signal can quickly reach its limitations. While conventional wireless controls work only up to 10 meters, the radio control system works up to 30 meters. The radio control functions reliably work even in bright light, whereas light-based systems may have difficulties. The Commander allows convenient control of such remote flash settings as TTL ratio, manual settings and flash compensation. With TTL ratio, the light emitted by the flash is determined by the metering of the camera. By changing the ratio, the amount of light emitted by each flash changes, while the total amount emitted remains the same. In TTL mode, you can divide receivers into 3 groups with a total of 15 flashes. Portraits are normally shot with an open aperture and consequently a faster shutter speed. Combined with the fill-in flash to avoid harsh shadows in brighter light, this requires high-speed synchronization or HSS. The HSS feature is also available with a radio remote flash control. You can position the flashes almost anywhere without worrying about the signal being blocked, either by obstacles or softboxes attached to the flash. When selecting manual mode, the amount of light can be set as you would when using studio flashes. When selecting group mode, up to 15 flashes can be allocated into 5 groups. Additionally, manual mode can be set for some groups, while other groups are simultaneously set to TTL mode. For example, it is useful when you want your main subject metered by the camera while overexposing or underexposing the background. The Commander and the receiver both have a flash sync terminal. So when using studio flashes, connect the Commander or a receiver to one of your studio flash heads.